Karon, color niya daw yung drawing na. Remove your hands there. Remove your hands. Your hands. Oh, mommy, mommy will help you to hold this. Oh, drawing ng kanyang ate. So, siya lang daw ang mag-color. Okay. Princess. Hello, princess. Okay. Tingnan natin siya na po ang mag-color sa drawing ng kanyang ate. Okay. Princess. Color mo yan. Okay, color it. Gandahan mo yan, ha? Gandahan mo ang color na yan. Ay, yan. Mommy will help you?
No, me.
Because I want, yellow.
Green.
Para mabilis. Hair.
You
Mommy yellow, yeah. Me yellow, you pink and green. Mommy yellow because I love yellow. Because I love this.
You done it yellow too.
No, this is not yellow. This is cream, This is cream. Because I love yellow. I think my is beautiful. My color is beautiful. I think you is kalat. Your is kalat, right? Me beautiful, but mommy, it's very very bagal. Faster, mommy, faster. Oh, faster. Kasi tapos na si Princess. Winner na si Princess. Princess is winner na. Oh my God. Go. Faster, mommy, faster. Because Princess is almost done na. Oh my God. I want to color this. Oh my God.
Yay!
Mommy, faster, mommy. Kasi si Princess, mommy. Mommy, faster. Oh no. Faster. Oh no. Princess is almost done.
Yeah.
Oh, Princess is almost done. How about me? Mommy is so bagal. Oh no. Mommy is bagal. Princess almost done. Oh my God. Mommy, faster. Good. Oh,
Done na po.
You're done? Oh my God. You're done? Oh. Mommy not yet done. How about mine?
I hate
About
you.
mommy, how about mommy color?
I hate you.
You help me? Thank you, Princess.
Ano oh?
Oh, Ana, okay, teach me because mommy is bagal-bagal. Matanda na si mommy.
I have two hands oh.
Okay, like that? Just wait. Oh, because I want beautiful. Not dali-dali yan. Very fast pero pangit. Me, bagal-bagal yan pero beautiful yan.
Okay, this oh. Ako oh. Like this oh.
Guwapa kay Princess, no? Ito yung drawing na to sa atin niya. Dinadrawing ng Ate Isa niya. Ate Isa is good in drawing, right?
Yeah.
How about the hair? Saan color ng hair? Oh no.
Buy it.
Yeah, this one. I choose black violet. Oy, mommy is very bagal.
Look at this.
Yeah, mommy, matanda na si mommy eh. Wawa naman si mommy lab, bagal na. Oh, I love my color. Oh, where's the eyes? Oh my God. Mommy, gitabunan ang eyes. No more eyes. One eye na ni. Oh, blind na ang kawawa naman yung model natin.
No, mermaid yan.
No, that's mermaid yan? Is
Yeah.
that? Oh, how about the cat? Color the cat. The baby cat. I'm done.
Too, oh.
You're done?
Yeah.
Okay, how about the cat? What's this, mommy? I think what's this? Ate Isa? I think Ate Isa. You color the cat and then mommy color this.
Yeah, it's a Tita Joito.
Why mommy so bagal-bagal? Move your hands. Remove your hands there. Oh my God. Oh my God. Contest mi mag-ano nito. Contest mi mag-color. Contest mi mag-color. Kadugay ni mo mag-color, lab. Si Mami bagal-bagal. Ay, mabilis ka pala mag-color. Si Mami bagal. Oh my God. Oh my God. Asa na ako? Murag na. Nawala na ako sa passing. Nawala na ako. What happened to my color? Oh my God. Kung saan naman akong gikolor? Tao ba ni? What's this?
It's mermaid yan.
It's mermaid?
You are with your eyes. You not see and with your mama.
Like that?
Ate mama.
I'm blind now?
Yes. You.
Mermaid is blind? Mermaid is blind?
Yes. You not see mama. Mama mermaid.
Oh, because she's blind.
Yeah.
Wait. Wait, your hands. Remove your hands.
Okay.
What happened to your hands?
Bilis ako.
Oh, bilis si Princess. Oh, bilis. Pero pangit man yan. Kaya mabilis yan. Oh. Dili siya. Oh, nagalabas na siya. Oh.
Ay, ano, oh. Kaya.
What is this? It's very, 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 very. Done. You're done?
Yes, done ako, oh.
Or done. Ako hindi. Not yet finished.
Not finished.
Not finished. Oh, finish it. Finish it. Color it. Oh my God.
Not finished yours, oh.
Yeah, because Mommy is matanda na. I'm a lola na. That's why Mommy is bagal.
Ano, oh.
Yeah, okay, done?
Yes.
We're done.